Hello students, today we are going to see operations on equal ratios. Now here properties of equal ratios if A, B, C, D are positive integers. Now there are 5 properties. First property is invertendo. Invertendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then the invertendo property, by invertendo property, take its inverse of this, that is B upon A. A upon B is written as B upon A is equal to D upon C. This property is known as invertendo property. Number 2, alternando. Alternando. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then alternando, by alternando property, A upon C is equal to B upon D. That is, A upon C is equal to B upon D. Number 3, third property is componendo. 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 If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then now componendo property is in numerator add denominator, divide by denominator as it is, that is A plus B, then A plus B. numerator मध्ये denominator add केला, denominator as it is, divide by B is equal to, here C plus D, divide by D. This is componendo. Number 4, dividendo. Dividendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then now in componendo take addition, in dividendo take subtraction, that is A minus B. A minus B divided by B is equal to C minus D divided by D. And number 5, componendo dividendo. Componendo dividendo. Now componendo dividendo property, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then now in componendo take addition, in dividendo take subtraction, that is in numerator take addition, that is A plus B, divide by, in denominator subtract denominator from numerator, that is A minus B, equal to C plus D divided by, in denominators subtract denominator from numerator, C minus D. These are 5 properties. Now, practice set 4.3. Practice set 4.3. question number 1. If A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3, if A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3, then find the values of the following ratios. Number 1, 5a plus 3b divided by 5a minus 3b. Second, 2a square plus 3b square divided by 2a square minus 3b square. And number 3, a cube minus b cube upon b cube. A cube minus b cube upon b cube. Number 4, 7a plus 9b divided by 7a minus 9b. Now first example. Now we have given a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. We have to solve these 4 examples. Now first write down given a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Now here in first, here is addition, here is subtraction. Therefore we have to use componendo dividendo property. त्याबद्दल काय, here coefficient of a is 5 and coefficient of b is 3. Therefore multiplying both sides by 5 upon 3. Multiplying by 5 upon 3. Therefore a upon b into 5 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. Here 5a divided by 3b is equal to 7 into 5 35 divided by 3 into 3 9. Now here is addition, here is subtraction. Therefore we have to use property. Which property we have to use? Componendo dividendo. Therefore by componendo dividendo, property, in numerator and denominator, that is 5a plus 3b divided by, in denominator subtract denominator from numerator, 5a minus 3b is equal to, right hand side also, 35 plus 9 divided by 35 minus 9. Now left hand side is 5a plus 3b divided by 5a minus 3b is equal to 35 plus 9, that is 35 plus 9, 44 divided by 6, 26, dividing by 2, 13, 22. Therefore value of this is 22 upon 13. 22 upon 13. Therefore, then find the values of the following ratios. Therefore, the value of this is equal to 22 is to 13. The given ratio is 22:13. Number 2. Now second example. Here we have to show 2a square plus 3b square divided by 2a square minus 3b square. Therefore, from first take value of a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. A upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Now what is the first step? Here a square b square, therefore first take square of this. Therefore, by taking square, a square upon b square is equal to 7 square, that is 49 divided by 3 square is 9. Now here coefficient of a square is 2, coefficient of b square is 3, therefore multiplying both sides by 2 upon 3. Therefore multiplying by 2 upon 3. Therefore a square upon b square into 2 upon 3 is equal to 49 upon 9 into 2 upon 3. Therefore take multiplication, 2a square upon 3b square is equal to, now 49 into 2, 98 divided by 27. 98 divided by 27. Now we have to find value of 2a square plus 3b square divided by 2a square minus 3b square. काय करावं लागेल इथं? Addition, subtraction, therefore by property of componendo dividendo. Therefore by componendo dividendo, in numerator take add sub denominator, that is 2a square plus 3b square divided by, in denominator from numerator subtract denominator, that is 2a square minus 3b square is equal to, now what is the right hand side? 98 plus 27, 98 plus 27 divided by 98 minus 27. Now here taking addition, addition is 8 plus 7, 15, 5 carry 1, 3 plus 9, 12 divided by 1, 7. Therefore 125 upon 71 is the, therefore the ratio is 125. Now here answer of second, 125 is to 71. 125 is to 71. This is answer of second. Now third, number 3. Number 3. Third example, we have to solve this third example. दिलेला थर्ड एक्झाम्पल अगोदर व्हिडिओ पॉज करा, थर्ड एक्झाम्पल लिहून घ्या, वहीवरती सोडवा आणि पूर्ण सोडवून झाल्यानंतर व्हिडिओ चालू करून सोडवलेलं बरोबर आहे का चेक करा. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल आणि फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल हे तुम्ही वहीमध्ये सोडवायचंय. Now for third, first write down a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Here a cube minus b cube, therefore take by taking cube, अगोदर cube घ्यावं लागेल, by taking cube. We get a cube upon b cube is equal to 7 cube upon 3 cube. 7 cube, 7 square 49 into 7. 49 into 7. (343) divide by 3 cube 27. Now here in numerator there is subtraction, denominator as it is. म्हणजे काय करावं लागेल, न्यूमरेटर मध्ये सबट्रॅक्शन, डिनॉमिनेटर as it is कोणती प्रॉपर्टी, डिव्हिडंडो. Therefore by dividendo, a cube minus b cube divided by b cube is equal to 343 minus 27 divided by 27 is equal to 613 divided by 27. Therefore the ratio is 316 is to 27. This is the answer. Answer is 316 is to 27. Fourth example तुम्ही सोडवा.